Barley, bok choy and salmon are tossed together with other simple ingredients to make this delicious cold salad. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. The holidays are over and so is the feasting, and it's now time to start eating healthy again. Today I'm going to make you a salad that really started off with me tossing leftover ingredients from my fridge, and it turned out to be so delicious that I decided to make it for you today. I'm going to be making my barley, bok choy and smoked salmon salad. I know the ingredients sound bizarre together, but trust me, they work. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's start cooking. Let's start with the onion. I have half a cup of sliced red onion here, and I'm going to soak it with the juice of a lime. I'm going to allow this to marinate, and this will mellow out that strong onion flavor. Next, I'm going to work on the bok choy. I'm using baby bok choy. I have 1.6 ounces. This is approximately 725 grams, and I'm just going to blanch this in some boiling water. The bok choy needs about a minute or so, so I'm going to immerse and then remove them from the boiling water. Since my water is hot, I'm also going to cook my barley. This is 1 cup of barley and I soaked it overnight in water. You can soak this for a minimum of 30 to 40 minutes, but I prefer to let it sit overnight. The barley will swell and it's almost double in size. Cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Like pasta, the barley should be al dente and not mushy. Remove and drain. In a large wok, I'm going to add some olive oil. Add the barley after it's been drained and spread it out. To flavor the barley, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. Allow this barley to cook in the wok for 3 to 5 minutes. I want the barley to get that nice golden color and just a hint of caramelization. Allow it to cool. The bok choy has now cooled down. I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. Now for the assembly. Add the bok choy, all of the sliced onion and the lime juice. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, followed by half a cup of sliced green olives. Now let's get all that barley in there. I finally have 1 pound or 454 grams of wild smoked salmon here. I purchased this at Costco. It's perfect as you can store it in your pantry and you don't need to refrigerate it. If you can't find this kind of salmon, you can also use canned salmon. I'm going to break this up into smaller chunks. Now I'm just going to add to taste 1 to 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and the juice of half to 1 lime. Toss it well to coat, and this is ready to serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for barley, bok choy, and smoked salmon salad. This is such a great recipe, but also what I love about it is that you can eat it cold. I like to eat it straight out of the fridge. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Also, share the video with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these amazing recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye!